Hello guys, can you all hear me? Yeah? Can you all hear me and see me? Yes? If you can hear me and see me, can you all give me a thumbs up? Okay, great. So finally we are live. So guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. And today, like you guys are aware, we will be looking at JEE Sprint functions. So how many of you are excited about it? Hi Sivaraman, welcome man. Hello Kirito, Uncharted, welcome. We have Venisha over here, welcome Venisha. Tornado is here, Anisha is also here. So nice to see all of you here guys. Welcome again. And today, as you all are waiting, we will have a fantastic session because functions, like you all know, is the basis of calculus. So if you want to do your calculus well, your functions should be good. Okay, very good Albert Einstein. I wish you get selected. Hi Nusrat Rahman, welcome. Very good, very good. Venisha, yes, the Vedantu office, especially the first floor, is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the session by Arvind sir. So now we will move forward quickly because I want to solve a number of questions with everybody. Before we get started, let me introduce myself for all my lovely students who are new to this channel. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach math at Vedantu, and to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras and I'm basically from Chennai. So I've been staying in Madras for a long time. And when I was like you guys, I prepared for various exams. I wrote NTSE, I wrote KVPY, I wrote JEE Mains, I wrote JEE Advanced, and I cleared all of them. To talk about where you guys can catch me, where you guys can get closer to me. So this is my Instagram ID. You can follow me there. I respond to almost every single doubt which students ask in Instagram. Maybe after 1 or 2 days, but I do respond to everybody. So you can catch me live, catch me in a chat over here at Instagram. Okay? Perfect. Nusrat Rahman, Wasim sir's class is at 5:30 today. Yes, definitely, definitely. That is different from what we have in store today, Albert Einstein. So this will be different. So guys, everybody, please note down the schedule for the next week. And as you guys can see over here, today we are on Thursday. We have the JEE Mains previous year's functions. And tonight there is a great session. Are you all aware of that? So tonight the minister is coming out with the dates of JEE Advanced. So many of you are interested to know when is the exam, what is the pattern, what is the eligibility. So you can attend that session, but it is at 9 p.m. Okay. And Friday we have ellipse, Saturday we have KVPY essay, the marathon. Yes, Sugda, no problem. The marathon session will be tomorrow with physics. It was supposed to start today, but unfortunately I'm not well guys, as you can see from my voice, from my face. So I will not be able to do a marathon. So after the marathon I'll be gone. So I thought I'll just take one short session today. Got it? So tomorrow you'll have the physics marathon. That will be the starting point of the marathon sessions in this channel. Okay? Perfect. So yeah, let's get to the most important slide. So guys, I'm sure everybody is following this channel very closely, but I want you to remember one thing very carefully. So if you want to do well in JEE Mains, which is just round the corner, it is 1.5 months away, exactly 45-46 days away. So if you want to do well, you need to be in an organized system. You need to have good competition. You need to take tests. You need to have assignments which are designed for JEE Mains. And you need to have great teachers motivating you and backing you up. So that can be provided by the Vedantu's crash course, because you have 45 live sessions. You have 45 live sessions which are part of the crash course. And apart from that, I will be taking few chapters. Arvind Kalia sir will take a few chapters. We also have Pulkit sir taking few chapters. So that is a great experience. You have such fun teachers, such amazing teachers coming and teaching you certain topics which are their strong points. So that you get to experience as part of this crash course. These are all the surprises we are keeping for you at the end. Because your end has to be peaking. Your end has to be at there. So that is why we have come up with this beautiful crash course plan for you. And apart from that, you have 10 full test and 10 part test. Okay, so 10 full tests will be full portion and they will test you according to the JEE Mains exam. Same timing, same pattern and same online paper. So that experience you will get. And who will be competing with you? You will be competing with the best students of Vedantu. Vedantu has tremendous talent and we have so many students whom you will compete with. They're all spread across the country and you get to compare yourself with them, where you stand, what rank you are getting in the Vedantu's test, and that will help you to realize what are your weak areas, what are your strong areas. So that is about your full test. Why is part test there? What do you mean by part test? Part test means syllabus broken down into small portions. So that test will also be provided to you. For example, coordinate geometry is one test, trigonometry is one test, and then you have unit-wise tests, calculus. So that will help you cover small units in the course of the 1.5 months that we have. Are you all able to understand that? Guys, at this last point, this is the best thing which can happen to you, and I'm so happy that Vedantu is bringing it to you at such an amazing cost, because the next slide which I come to it in a while, you will be amazed, you will be mind blown. But wait a minute, I didn't tell you one brilliant feature which is my favorite, which is at the top. So you have unlimited doubt solving from 8 AM to 11 PM. So from early morning 8 o'clock till night 11 PM, you have the doubt solving app for free. So when you're solving the papers, when you're solving the exercises, if you get any doubts, you take a photo of it, put it in the doubts app, they will solve it and send it back to you. Because we have great doubt experts who are all IITians, who are all NIT students, who are all experienced subject matter experts. So they will guide you throughout the day. You have test series, you have the best teachers. Apart from that, you have Arvind Kalia sir handling a few batches, few topics. Then you have Pulkit sir handling a few topics. I will also be taking a few topics. So you get to experience different flavors, and that can nail your preparation. Okay, and the best part is you get to attend these sessions not in YouTube but in Vedantu's platform, and Vedantu's platform is made for teaching. So all of this for a price of 8,000, and that is unbeatable, guys. That is hands down the best price you can get in the whole internet for a crash course of 5 months validity. So this crash course will be available to you till you complete your JEE Mains in May. So January, February, March, April, May, 5 whole months you will have access to the crash course, and that is available for a price of 8,000. So 8,000 divided by 5 is 1,600 per month. That's almost like 4 pizzas. That's it. So weekly if you order 1 pizza, that's equivalent to the price of 4 pizzas a week. Okay, 4 pizzas a month. Got it? So this is the coupon code. You see that the original price was 10,000, but we have given a discount of 2,000 because we are almost nearing the end of your preparation. But guys, don't put the line at February. The line is at May. So you have 5 months. Think about it carefully. Okay. So this is the coupon code. I have given you the link in the chat. Click on it, apply the coupon code. We have batches starting every Monday. So today if you get the course, coming Monday, that is January 11th, you can join the crash course. It is as quick as that. It is as quick as that. So please make the best use of it. And if you have any query regarding this crash course, any doubts in your mind, sir, how will they complete? Will they cover every topic? What will be the pattern? What will be the methodology? I will explain each and everything. You can contact me personally on Instagram. Okay, before you join, if you have any questions, contact me on Instagram. I will respond to every query and make it simple for you. But with that, let's get started. Are you all up? How many of you are excited about the crash course? Did you guys find it interesting? So shall we begin? Yes, absolutely, Venisha. Very good, Sanchit, Kirito, awesome. So with that, let's get started. So guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and always give a like so that we know that you liked it, and we will be motivated because of that, because you guys mean a lot to us. Okay, so let's get started. The first question is gonna be right on your screen. So let me see a lot of thumbs up. I want to know who are all here. We have Sanchit Singh, we have Dhanush, Anisha, Shankar, Harshavardhini. What about Kiran? Sanjay, you have to check it from a different network. Maybe Jio network, it doesn't work. That's what I've heard from my friends. You can probably use some other network, maybe Airtel or Vodafone. So we have Venisha, we have Shreya. So guys, shall we begin? Mahendra Lekra, that is Sugdha, Vaibhav, very good. Shakti is also here. Shakti, you have to give me a thumbs up, man. Only then I'll know. Shankar, great. So here we go. The first question. Let's start off with a slightly easy one. Let us start off with a slightly easy one. Please try to do it. This is a question which came from 2019 and it is based on the topic of domain. So when we talk about functions, you need to really understand domain and range. Okay. Hi Bhargavi, welcome. Nice to see you. So domain is tested over here. I want everybody to attempt it and let's see how many of you are getting it. Yes, Harshavardhini. I think that's what he told me last time. Hello Priyanka, welcome. Yes. No problem, Sugdha. That's totally fine. Shakti says B. Let's check it, Shakti. Don't worry. We will wait for all our friends to answer and then we will do it. Okay? Vaibhav is also saying B. Now, majority have answered B. So let's see what others are saying. Come on, guys. I want all of you to respond. Uncharted says D. Hello, Frederick Prabhu. Welcome, man. Sir, it's boring to solve previous year's questions. Shakti, previous year's questions are the best thing that can happen for you right now. Okay? Because that is what gives you the exact pattern and exact difficulty level of JEE Mains. Nobody can replicate it. Okay? Nobody can replicate it unlike your previous year's questions. So please take them seriously. Got it? So we have C, we have B, and Vaibhav now says C. So shall we check it? Shall we check it, guys? Are you all ready? Okay, Shakti, no problem. So let us try to solve it. Everybody listen carefully. I think the answer what Vaibhav and Venisha said is right. I think that is correct, but let's solve it. I'm not too sure. Hello, Mr. Best. Welcome, man. Hello, Abhishek Kumar. So nice to see you. Welcome. So let us try to solve it because, guys, this even the 11th standard students are supposed to know. This is a topic which you learn in your 11th standard and I think you guys are supposed to know this. So I'm going to talk to you guys about it in a detailed manner. So listen carefully. If you have doubts, feel free to shoot them at me. I will look at the chat. Okay. Yes, Mr. Best, you are right on the first question. So first I will check domain of this. Then I'll check domain of this. Got it? So when I take 1 by 4 minus x square, what is domain? Domain is the set of valued values of x. Domain is a set of valid values of x. Okay, so what is the valid values of x? So your denominator cannot be 0. That's it. Your denominator should not be 0. So x square cannot be 4. That means x cannot be plus or minus 2. Because if x is plus or minus 2, I will have a 0 in the denominator, which is a problem for me. Did you all understand that? That's all you need for the first part. Over. So the domain of the first part is what? The domain of the first part is all real numbers without minus 2 and plus 2. That's it. Now I will check the domain of the second part. So what is the domain of logarithm? So whenever you have log of something x to the base, let's say 10, the domain is x should be positive, because log is defined only for positive x. Are you all clear with that? Exactly, Abhishek. Very good, very good. I'm so happy that you guys are good at your basics, because when you are good at your basics, you can develop it higher. So let's try to solve it. I know that x cube minus x should be greater than 0. So I know that x into x square minus 1 should be greater than 0. So this will be x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 should be greater than 0. So I will use the wavy curve. So I have minus 1, 0 and plus 1 to be the roots. I will start the wavy curve and I will draw a very nice wavy curve. We have plus, minus, plus and minus. So what do I get? I get x belongs to minus 1 to 0, union 1 comma infinity. Are you all clear? Minus 1 to 0, union 1 comma infinity, because that is where it is positive, na? That is where it is positive. Are you all clear with it, everybody? Everybody fine till here? So the second part is defined for x belonging to minus 1 comma 0, union 1 comma infinity. But please remember, x cannot be 2 or minus 2. Minus 2 is anyway not here, so I don't care about it. But 2 is there. But 2 is not included, no? So I should remove 2 here. So I will put 1 to 2, union 2 to infinity. I am just removing the point 2 alone. I am just removing the point 2 alone. Are you all clear? So which option is correct? Like I said, option C was the right answer, which Vaibhav, Venisha and a few others have got it correct. Did you all like it? Exactly, Vaibhav. Very good. All of you clear with it, guys? Slightly better, Abhishek. Okay, Shakti, no problem. So with that, let us go forward. I'm so happy that all our 11 students are also able to follow and understand. That is a good sign. Now, I have plenty more questions to you. I will slowly increase the level, don't worry. So this is the second question, again from JEE 2019, and you guys have to solve it now. Give it a try and then I will do it for you, okay? Yes, Shakti, thank you, man. So guys, this is the second question. Everybody please try to do it. So Anisha says option D. Let's check it. Shakti is also saying option D. Are you guys sure? Okay, so let's check it. What about others? What about Vaibhav, Venisha, Shreya? So Professor Sal code says it's B. We will check it. Professor Sal. Okay, Shakti. We will check it. Shakti is super confident that his answer is correct. Venisha is saying, sir, it is option C. Everybody says option C. Are you guys pakka? Exactly, because Vaibhav is correct. Answer is option A. Answer is option A, guys. It is not B, it is not C, it is not D. Okay, don't worry, we will check it. We will check it. Some of you might have gone wrong. Don't worry. It's okay. So let us try to solve it. Again, this is a simple question, and according to me, I was surprised that a question of this level came in JEE Mains. Because guys, this is too easy. This is a very simple question, directly based on properties of logarithm. So first of all, what is f of 2x by 1 plus x square? Let's try to do that. So that means wherever x comes, I will put 2x by 1 plus x square. So it is going to be log to the base e. I will have 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square. So I am going to take LCM. So when I take LCM, what will happen? Something very beautiful will happen. You have a look at it. You will get 1 plus x square minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus 2x. Don't you all agree? Everybody? When I take LCM, will I get this? Everybody? So now, don't you think this is a minus b the whole square? This is a plus b the whole square. So can I say it is log to the base e? We will have x minus 1 the whole square divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So can I say it is nothing but log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Now we know by log properties this 2 can come in the front, but please wait a minute. You need to ensure that this is positive. We know mod x is less than 1. So should I write it as x minus 1 whole square or 1 minus x the whole square? Can you guys think about it? That is the best part about this question. That is the only place where you guys can go wrong. Okay, because mod of x is less than 1, I will write it as 1 minus x the whole square. Are you all clear with it? So this can be written as log of 1 minus x by x plus 1 the whole square. Now this 2 I will bring it in the front. Got it? Now this 2 I will bring it in the front. So it will be 2 times log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. And what is log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x? That is f of x. So 2f of x is the answer. Did you all like it? Can you all go through it and tell me whether you have understood it? Hello Hasib, welcome man. Very nice to see you. Abhishek has got it. He's saying, sir, let's move forward. So guys, don't take your mistakes lightly. See, if you are in 11th standard, if you are in 10th standard, I can understand and I can probably forgive you. But if you are in 12th and if you are writing JEE next month, you cannot take these mistakes very casually. Okay, so please don't have that attitude because that is not healthy. You should really feel bad if you made a simple mistake here. Calculation, still you should take it very seriously. Got it? Yes, Tejas, we will do that also, man. So shall we move forward, guys? Everybody cool with it? So let us proceed to the next question. I hope all of you are ready. So this is the solution. As I always tell, every question if I do in the class, I will attach the solution. You can check it in the session PDF because guys, I give homework as well. I give homework as well. Okay, so make sure you guys are completing the homework. Only Uncharted, Chaitanya were commenting the solutions. So I want others also to participate. Every previous year session, right, I give you homework for 5-6 questions. So those questions you have to comment it down below, the answer, the method, so that we can have an interaction and I can help you. Okay. Hello Ritesh, welcome man. So next question is over here. This is also a 2019 question and I want everybody to do it. So you see they have nicely mixed your trigonometry and functions in this question. Trigonometry and functions they are mixed in this question. Tejas, if you want to reach out to me, please message me on Instagram. I will give you my ID. Maybe in the chat I will put it. You can message me over there. Okay. I'm quite active there. Yes. Very good, Shakti. I would give highest priority to the recent years. That is from 2014 to 2019. So Shakti, I hope you got it. Now Tejas, my Instagram ID is over there. You can click on it and you can probably ask me your doubt. At what age shall we learn calculus in India? In India, calculus begins in 11th standard, right? So around, I think 16. When you're 16 years old, you will start learning calculus. Phi of pi by 3. Phi of pi by 3 is what you have to calculate. What is written at phi of x? I hope you guys are able to see, right? What is phi of x? Phi of x is h of f of g of x. Getting it? So first you need to evaluate what is h of f, and then that of g, and that when you put pi by 3, what is the answer they're asking? Okay. It is there in the chat. Please check it, Tejas. Dhanush, that is the notation, man. This concept is called as composition of function, right? You must be knowing it. Tejas says link is not working. I'm not sure, Tejas. Please check it. Sir, can you read line 2 if the question, please? So the line 2, phi of x, I have written it down over here. You have to find out what is phi of pi by 3, Venisha. Okay. Tejas says C, Vaibhav says C, but I don't think that's correct, guys. I don't think that's correct. Please check it. Kirito, that's not right. Nope. Anisha is saying D. Uncharted says A. Abhishek says A. And the best part is I win, because till now, even though you guys covered 3 options, not even a single person got it correct, because the answer is B. Okay. I don't know. This is very rare. This is very rare. Okay. So the answer is B. Great job, guys. So now I will help you understand it. Please listen carefully. I will teach you. Listen carefully, because this is a JEE Main 2019, very recent year question. So first let's find out what is h of f. So do you guys agree? H of f means h of f of x. What is f of x? F of x is root of x. So it is nothing but h of root of x. What is h of root of x? It is 1 minus root x the whole square by 1 plus root x the whole square. So don't you agree? It is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So that is your h of f. Now we want to find h of f of g. Okay. So h of f of g is going to be what? Is going to be 1 minus tan x, or I can say it is h of f of tan of x, because g is tan of x, right? So that will be 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. What is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x? Can I say 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus x? So that is your phi of x. So your phi of x is a very simple tan of pi by 4 minus x. Can you see how laddu the question became? Can you see how laddu the question became? Are you all clear with this? Yes, Marwa Zafar. Yes, absolutely. You can crack JEE Advanced, but you have to make the best use of the next 5 months. Okay. So there are crash courses and there are courses running in Vedantu. I have given the link in the chat. You can check it out and maybe that can help you. Okay. Check out the course link in the chat. Are you all clear with this? It is tan of pi by 4 minus x, guys, not plus x. Yes, Tejas, I take classes only in English. Guys, it is tan of pi by 4 minus x. Please be very clear about it. So now, let's answer Kirito's doubt. So phi of x is tan of pi by 4 minus x. That I hope everybody is clear. So now, I want to find out phi of pi by 3. That is the question, na? So phi of pi by 3 is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 3, which will be how much, Kirito? It will be tan of minus pi by 12, Kirito. So this is not correct, Kirito, because tan of minus pi by 12 is minus tan pi by 12. So what is tan of minus tan pi by 12? That will be equal to tan of pi minus pi by 12. So the answer is B. Got it? Because tan of pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Tan of pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Did you all like it? Very good, Shakti. Very good, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, try to be careful, okay? You should not make mistakes like this. I hope all of you are now comfortable and you all have got the concept behind this. Very good, very good. Yes, Tejas, I am doing that, Tejas. Please check out the playlist in the channel. You need to check the playlist in the channel because I have many videos already done, Tejas. Yes, Karthik, once we are done with the JEE Main preparation, I will definitely make a video on JEE Advanced because I know you guys are interested in that as well. Yes, Shakti, for sure. Yes, Tejas, I know, man. No worries, I'll help you, okay? So this is the solution. Like I said, I always attach all the solutions, guys. You can check it out. So now, moving on to the next part, which I have for you here. So this is a slightly old question. The reason I took this is because I want you to be ready with periodicity as well. So periodicity is also a very favorite topic of JEE Mains paper setters. So you need to be aware of it and you need to master it. So that is why I'm here helping you with that. Okay. So you need to find out what is the period of this particular function given over here. Please do it. Hello Ayman, welcome man. Very nice to see you Ayman, welcome. Very good Sukda, nice to see you here. Welcome back. JEE Advanced. Shankar, tonight's session is about JEE Advanced dates. So I will try to give you some pointers which you can follow. Okay. So we have Vaibhav saying A. We have Abhishek Kumar saying A. Okay. Ruth Rosalind, welcome. Very nice to see you. Shreya says B. Shakti says B. You have to focus on both of them, Marwa Zafar. You need to do your 11th and 12th. Marwa Zafar, if you are really serious about advance, please check the crash course offered. Because unless you are part of a system, it's very difficult to crack it, Marwa Zafar, okay? Yes, Jas Manak, I will help you. I will talk about it at the end. At the end, I will have a discussion with everybody. You guys can ask me your doubts. So guys, the answer is actually option B. The answer is actually option B. And clearly you can tell that now because f of x plus pi by 2 is how much? Vaibhav, you should have checked it. You should have checked the options. So it is going to be sine to the power 4 x plus pi by 2 plus cos to the power 4 x plus pi by 2. And that's quite easy to observe. This is nothing but cos to the power 4x plus this will be what? Minus sine x whole power 4. So it will be cos power 4x plus sine power 4x, which is nothing but f of x. So obviously your pi by 2 should be the period. Okay. But this is going from the option. This is not the right way to do it. I'm just telling you, if options are given, you can use it. If options are given, you could have used it. That's what I'm trying to say. Exactly, Vaibhav. Very good. Very good. You are right. You are right. Exactly, Anisha. So guys, can I help you with the right method now? This you understood, na? This is called as Jugaad. This is called as your Jugaad. You use the option, you do your own magic and you try to get the answer. Okay. So now let me show you how it is actually done. So Vaibhav was close. So let me first expand sine square x plus cos square x the whole square. So what is that? That is equal to sine power 4x plus cos to the power 4x plus you will have 2 sine square x cos square x. Okay. So this is 1 and this is your f of x. And then you will have plus 2 sin square x cos square x. I can write it as 4 sin square x cos square x by 2. So I can write f of x as 1 minus 1 by 2 sin 2x the whole square. Okay. So now I can write that as 1 minus 1 by 2. What is sin square 2x? It is nothing but 1 minus cos 4x by 2. So I will get f of x to be nothing but 3 by 4 plus cos 4x by 4. Are you all clear? Yes. So this is a constant function. It can have any period. It can have any period. It is self-adjusting. And this is cos 4x. The period is 2 pi by 4, which is pi by 2. So this is pi by 2. This can have any period. So the LCM of both should be pi by 2 only, and that is the answer. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Everybody? Yes? Yes, yes, Marwa Zafar. If you are 11th standard, you can do that. Yup. What you're saying is fine. Complete your 11th properly in 4 months, then get started with your 12th standard. Shankar is saying, sir, it is very tough. Shankar, that is the reason I took this question, because I know some of you skip this periodic functions concept. Many of you are trying to skip it. I know that. So that is why I chose this question. So this is just to show you, you can also get some interesting ones from here. So don't leave it. Now that I have covered it, please, can you go and study about it, maybe get better at it. How could you tell the period of cos 4x by 4? See, Kirito, constants have no effect. Don't worry about this 4 here. This is not cos power 4, Kirito. This is cos 4x. It is cos of 4x. See, Kirito, cos x period is what? Cos x period is 2 pi, na? Cos x period is 2 pi, na, Kirito? That everybody knows. So when you have cos of ax, the period is 2 pi by a. That's how I know it. It's a property of periodic functions. So cos of 4x will be what, Kirito? Cos of 4x will be 2x by 4. So that is why I got pi by 2. I'm sorry, 2 pi by 4. Getting it? So that is how I got it. I hope you are all fine. So even if you have cos of ax plus b, na, Kirito, the period will still be 2 pi by a. Because this constant will have no effect. The constants will have no effect. The periodicity is affected only by the coefficient of x. You might have studied this a lot in your SHM, in physics. SHM and all those related chapters now, waves and all that. There you study this quite frequently. Okay, so with that, let's move forward. Let's go to the next question. I have attached the solutions again for you guys. You can check it out maybe later, not right now. Okay, this is another interesting question. Please do it. Okay, please do it, guys. Yes, Jas Manak, give me a second. Anisha, what kind of Vedic lessons? Huh? You mean Vedic mathematics? Fast calculation like that? Yes. Kirito says B. Yes, Anisha, even I have that in mind because it'll be a very nice, interesting session. Karthik Reddy, I will cover the important topics like calculus, coordinate geometry. I will do that fully. And apart from that, I will do algebra and trigonometry. These are the topics which I am planning to do. Many of you have requested vectors also, because a lot of my 12th standard students say vectors is very difficult. So I will help you with vectors also. So this is a rough idea as of now. So your marathon session will start tomorrow with Shreyas sir, and after that you will have my session next week. Got it? Option A. I think option A is correct, guys. Who is that? I think a lot of people have said option A. Venisha, and we had Dhanush, SL. Very good. Abhishek. Good job, guys. Amazing. Because option A, I think, is correct. Okay. So how do you solve this question? Very good, Jas Manak. Very good, Ayman. So guys, please listen carefully. Whenever you have a linear by quadratic, or quadratic by quadratic, and you're asked to find out the range of f of x, always follow this method which I'm going to teach you. Okay, always follow this method which I'm going to teach right now. So please give your full attention. Everybody should listen carefully. Okay, so take f of x as y. Y is equal to x by 1 plus x square. Now cross multiply. So I will get y plus yx square is equal to x. Now bring everything on one side. You will have x square y minus x plus y equal to 0. So can I say this is a quadratic in x? This is a quadratic equation in x. And we know that x belongs to real numbers because the domain is R. So if x is a real number, can I say the roots of this should be real numbers? If the roots of this is real numbers, can I say the discriminant must be greater than or equal to 0? And what is the discriminant? The discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. And that should be greater than or equal to 0. That's it. Solve it and get the answer. What will you get? You will get 4y square minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So if I solve it by factorization, I'll get 2y minus 1 into 2y plus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So I will draw the wavy curve. I'll draw minus half. I'll draw plus half. I will start the wavy curve, and this will be plus, minus, and plus. So what can I say? I want less than or equal to. So it is this region between these two. So this minus half to plus half both included, that will be my answer. Did you all like it? Everybody? Exactly. Very good. Very good, very good. So Achyut has seen the session properly. I think he remembers it. Great. Yes, Jas Manak, can you please repost your question? I'll try to help you right now. Okay. Tell me what exactly is your doubt. I will help you with that. What is R to R? It is a function from the set of real numbers to the set of real numbers. So this is what we call as domain, and this is what we call as codomain. Okay, it comes in sets and relation, Venisha. Okay, this is called as your domain. Domain, codomain, and that is useful to understand functions. Are you all clear? So we have a lot of doubts. Okay. So I am waiting for Jas Manak question, and I'll just take a second to read all the chat. Yes. Calculus is taught with the help of a book called as Thomas and Finney. I told you in some class. It's a very good book. You can check it out. It's very slow and steady. Okay, so let's try to check what are the doubts by various students. So Dhanush is asking, sir, how many questions come from coordinate geometry? So from coordinate geometry, you get around 4 to 5 questions a year. So 3 to 5 is the usual trend. So I will say 4 questions pakka will come. Okay. Yes, Ayman. Ayman, You can crack it, but always you know the answer. You have to stay motivated. You have to give it your best in the next 1.5 months. Many people ask this question, sir, can I clear it starting now? Yes, you guys can, because JEE Mains is a doable exam. Everybody who are starting now can do it, but you need commitment and hard work and the right set of teachers to back you up. Okay? So if you want to have those right set of teachers, you have the option of crash course, because at Vedantu, the crash course is very reasonably priced. Ayman, you can check it out. It is available for 8K, 8,000 rupees for 5 months. Okay, so that is my suggestion for anybody who is looking to improve right now. Now, secondly, coming to Jas Manak's question, how to get better at probability? So, if you are having trouble with NCR formula Jas Manak, then your problem is not probability, your problem is PNC. So I will say start off with the basic NCRT questions of PNC. Take your time, solve them, even the very basic ones you do it. So that will give you confidence in PNC. Then go to binomial theorem, because again you will see more of PNC questions. Yes, Sikandar Mastan. I don't have fever, I have cold, man. Yeah. Got it. So, Jas Manak, do PNC NCRT, then go for your binomial theorem, then come to probability, so that you will get used to these concepts. Are you all clear? When did I start my JEE preparation? So, I started my JEE preparation when I was in 8th standard. Okay. But I would say, Shankar, it doesn't matter, because there were people in my time also who were joining in 11th fresh, but they got better ranks than me. Okay, so it doesn't matter when you start your preparation. You can even start at 6th standard, but it's how good you sustain. Okay, so sustenance and your consistency is more important. How many questions from each chapter? It will be very similar to the previous year's trend, Ayman. Yes, Albert Einstein, but you will have to give up a few questions, but that's okay. For KVPY it is okay, but not for JEE Mains, because for JEE Mains your vectors and 3D is very important. Got it? Okay. Perfect. I hope I answered all your questions. Now let's get back to our solving. Okay, perfect. How many questions from each chapter to practice? Ayman, I would say at least 100 questions from each chapter you have to do minimum. And those 100 questions should be distributed across various properties, various concepts. You should not do 100 easy questions from only one topic. No. It should cover the entire chapter. Got it? Tejas, I studied in IIT Madras, man. So I passed out a few years back and I'm into teaching. So Vedantu is where I am right now. Okay, so I work in Vedantu at Bangalore, now currently in Chennai. So yeah, let's move forward to the next question. I hope you're all ready for it. Here we go. This is the next question, a very, very interesting question. And again, it is based on your inverse of a function. Very important. Please do it. Okay, Tejas. I know that, man. Yes, Tejas, I am Tamil. I do speak Tamil, don't worry. Okay. Hello, Yash Patel. Welcome, man. Is that inverse or differentiate? Derivative. G dash of x means derivative of g. G dash of x means derivative of g. Okay. So let's check who is right and who is wrong. Achyut, Shrasti Namdio, Yash Patel, everybody seems to say that it is option D. Ravi Kumar. So Ravi Kumar, I have severe cold, man. So I was using my computer, right, to prepare for the classes. So because of that, my eye strain was there. And I got hurt while playing football here. So when I was in college, I was playing football for one of my hostel and I got injured. And that is how I got a very nice stitch over here. But yeah, it's good experience. Yeah, Vaibhav, totally, man. I do have glasses. I think I'll start taking. Even Wasim sir was telling me he also got power because of teaching in screen, right? Not fan Albert Einstein. I turned on the AC because I don't know whether you guys are aware. These mics are very sensitive. These mics are very sensitive. If I put the fan, you will not like it at all. Yeah, even the AC sound this can take, the mic. It's very sensitive. Okay. So Radhika Thirukumar says D. And guys, I think D is correct because a lot of you are saying so. And I think it should be either one of C or D. I'm not sure. We will solve it. So first of all, can I say f of g of x is equal to x? Did you all understand that? Because that is what we mean by inverse of a function. So if you have g to be the inverse of f, that means f of g is equal to x. That is the meaning of inverse. Now I will differentiate. So f dash of g of x into g dash of x, because chain rule, is equal to 1. So what is g dash of x? G dash of x is 1 by f dash of g of x. So what is f dash of g of x? F dash of g of x is 1 by 1 plus g of x the whole power 5. That's it. Bring it to the numerator. You will get option D to be the right answer. Was it difficult? Gargi, I will take night sessions maybe next week because it takes a toll on my health. Like if I take night session, I sleep very late and because of that, I get cold. So I'll try to take, but maybe next week, not this week. Sir, would you explain it once again? Yes, Paulami Datta. How many NTA Abhyas tests we should give? See, SL, NTA Abhyas is of various difficulty level. Okay, so some tests are very easy, some tests are very difficult, some tests are up to JEE advanced level also. So I will say, instead of NTA Abhyas, you can either do previous year's questions or you can take the test series which is available in the crash course at Vedantu. Because guys, the test series at Vedantu is written by everybody across the country and we prepare it according to the latest trend. And NTA Abhyas, you have so many papers, man, 80, 100 papers. So you might be thinking what to solve, how to solve and all that. Okay. Yes, Yuga Bharati, I am from Chennai. I am teaching from Chennai right now. So Paulami Datta, please listen carefully. What I did was, I first understood what is inverse. When I say g is the inverse of f, that means f of g of x is equal to x. Got it? So f of g of x, if it is equal to x, then if I take the derivative, f dash of g of x into g dash of x is equal to 1. I hope you guys got that. Yes. Now I will take the g dash of x separately because that is what I want. I will take this to the other side. It will be 1 by f dash of g of x. So f dash of x is already given in the question. So utilize that. This is a very common trend of question. And you see it is a recent year paper. So you should know all these things. Okay? Exactly. Very good, Yash Patel. I am so happy that you are able to do it on your own. Great. Ali, welcome man. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Great, Tejas. Hello, Chamoli. SL is saying, sir, I've given 22 NTA Abhyas tests. 22 is a lot. Very good, man. Brilliant. So if you are okay with it, if you like it, continue with it. But I would recommend previous year's papers over that or a test series with a renowned educational firm. Okay. So shall we move forward? Very good, very good, very good. So I hope everybody is clear. So guys, with that, I'll give you a few homework questions. You can try it out and we can probably have some time for discussing about your doubts. Homework questions are there. I want you guys to answer it and send me the solution in the comment section. I have prepared these homework questions just for you guys. So please make the use of it. Okay. Can we integrate f dash of x and find f and its inverse and then differentiate? That will be too lengthy a process, and moreover, how do you integrate f dash of x? Is it easy looking? So that has to be answered now, Albert Einstein. Clear? So guys, if you have any doubts, please let me know. I would like to clarify it for you. Exactly. So KVPY session is on Saturday, Gargi, because the night sessions I have cancelled for this week until I get better. I'm sure you can see my eye and you can see my voice. Both are not fine. So it looks like someone punched me on the eye. So till I get better, I will take some rest and maybe I'll come back stronger. Got it? Is Albert Einstein alive? Yes, man. Don't you see him in the charts? He is well alive and kicking. Achyut, that is the definition of inverse. F of f inverse of x is equal to x. That is the definition of inverse. Go and study your inverse function. Please do that. Okay. Very good. Top colleges apart from IIT. You have NITs, you have BITS Pilani, you have Triple IIT, and you have VITs. So lots of great colleges to venture into. You have IISc Bangalore, IIScR, you have Indian Institute of Statistics. Okay. So what is the doubt, Ali? Ali, I didn't see your chat. Please tell me what is your doubt. What branch? I did my Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering in IIT Madras. And my minor was Energy Technology. I've told you guys, when I was in college, my role model was Elon Musk. How many of you know Elon Musk? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Ali, you can do that. Please go ahead. Exactly. So Elon Musk was the founder of Tesla, SpaceX and all that. So I was very inspired and I kind of wanted to get into the energy line. He's into solar energy. So like that, you will find something interesting in your college life. You do that for a while and then suddenly when I was applying for higher studies, I applied to various US universities, but I was aiming for one university specifically. So I wanted to get into that or I didn't want anything. It's like, you know, in movies they say, right, if I marry, I'll marry this girl only. It's like that. I wanted to get into this college. If not, I'll not go. So unfortunately, as you guys might have guessed, I didn't get into that specific college. So I gave up and I wanted to continue what I was doing best over here in India, which is teaching. So that is what brought me here slowly, guys. Does Vedantu have September papers? Yes, 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 of course. Which college? That's a secret. Tejas, it's above zero, man. Below infinity. Ali, yes, Ali, tell me. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, I would say it's too early, man. Don't think like that. Give your exam, do your exam well, because in India, it's mostly dependent on your rank. Okay. So what rank you get will decide what branch you get. Okay. At least in IITs and NITs. At least in IITs and NITs, it is going to be like that. No, Ali. NTA mock papers, not absolutely necessary. Previous year's papers are good. You can do that. Why, Anish? What happened? Board marks separately, there are very few colleges. In Tamil Nadu, I think Shastra will consider board marks. SSN will consider board marks. Venkateshwara. So like these colleges will consider board exam mark, Tejas, but not everything. How to enter MIT? You should write an exam called SAT, SAT, Scholastic Aptitude Test, which is conducted by a firm in US. And if you get a good score, you have a good chance. But MIT entering in undergraduate is very difficult. Okay, when are you starting one shot? Rajat, I will start the one shot series probably by next week. Maybe by January mid. Eklavya is only for 2021 advance. Yes, absolutely. Sir, MIT is aspiration. Of course, you can do MIT in post-graduation. Like you can do your BTech in IIT and do your MTech in MIT. That is what many of my friends are doing. So many of my friends from IIT, right? They're all in MIT right now. Some of them are in your Stanford. Some of them are in University of Texas. So it is a good line. Yup. Okay. What is the difficulty level of SAT? There are two SAT exams, SAT 1 and SAT 2. SAT 2 is the subjective test. That is a bit difficult. But SAT 1 is very easy. Your English will be difficult. So that depends. If you are good at English, then you might be finding it very simple. But if your English is hard, then you might have a problem. Exactly. Vaibhav will say. SAT fees is too much. Exactly. So guys, I hope all of you got it. So if you are in the final phase of your preparation, if you are in 12th standard, please check out the crash course because you have unlimited doubt solving from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. You have 10 full test and 10 part test. You have 45 live lectures plus some additional sessions by me, Pulkit sir and Arvind Kalia sir. So you have a plethora of teachers, all of your favorite ones coming live together to teach you and have a great time with all of you. And for what price? All of this 10 full test, entire coverage, doubt solving and the best teachers coming to help you out for a price of 8,000, and this is the coupon code which you have to use to get it at this price. Okay, so just click on the link which I share in the chat. When you click on the link, you will be taken to a web page, and there you have to click enroll now and you have to apply this coupon code, guys. Otherwise it will show 10,000 only. Otherwise it will show 10,000 only, and if you use SJCC it will be offered to you at a price of 8,000. I know a lot of Vivek Yuga Bharati. I don't know which Vivek you are talking about. Yes, Sakshi Biduri, thank you so much. Hello Rajat. How much I have to score for qualifying JEE Advanced? You need to score at least 120, 100 above, I think. It won't affect your application, Lokesh. No. Drop will not affect your application. Pakka. Hi Bharani, thank you man. I'm not well. Yes, I have severe cold and you can see that from my eyes as well. If you score 200, you will be around 98, 99 percentile. 200 is a very good score. So magical paintbrush, Venisha, your 12th will start around March. Your March 1st or 2nd week it will start. Can all students who are cracking KVPY get admission in IISER? Nope. Not everybody. How much percentile for 125? Achyut, I think that might be around 85 to 90. Okay, it will be around 85 percentile I think, but that is not going to get you good colleges, Achyut. If you are in general category, you should aim for 150 plus. Okay. No, Lokesh, you are thinking too much. I have studied in IIT, I have applied for foreign universities. I am telling you, it doesn't matter. You do your studies well, you do a good research project, be under a very good professor. You will get easy admits at MIT and Stanford. Do your GRE well. So that is what matters. Okay. Thank you, Ali. Hello, Harishankar, Jai Ganesh. Welcome, man. Okay. So guys, with that, we will conclude our session. So please do make use of the crash course. All those who are in 12th standard, if you are looking for a final preparation, a final boost in your rank, because last year in Vedantu's crash course, we took students from 10,000 rank to even top thousands. So if you are an average student and if you are looking to increase your level in 1.5 months, try this crash course for just 8,000 rupees. I have given you the link, I have given you the coupon code. Just click on it, register it, because this crash course will be available for 5 months. Jan, Feb, March, April and May. Okay? Yes, definitely. Why Shakti? So guys, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and do give us a like if you liked the video, if you enjoyed the session today. Okay? Which session? Yes, Venisha. Yeah, now you know the reason why it was rescheduled. So we will meet on Sunday, Venisha. Okay? Thank you, Shakti. So guys, all the very best, everybody. Do well in life, prepare hard and always stay safe, because you see the situation is very bad. Even if you get sick for 1 or 2 days, you have to miss out your studies. Okay, so don't fall sick. Don't fall sick, take it from me. And please keep a very, very consistent preparatory mode. Okay, all the best. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Take care.